So in this video we will find the derivation for the transfer function of optimum filter. We have in the first video of optimum filter we have seen that probability of error has this equation. Now to reduce the probability of error we have to increase this ratio x naught 1t minus x naught 2t divided by sigma. Now that ratio we are showing it by sigma, so that is equal to rho, this ratio. So here just don't take 2 root 2. So this is that ratio rho, then rho square is this one. Now if you do the signal square, here this is the signal divided by noise voltage, and this is signal voltage. So if you do the voltage square you will get power. So rho square is a signal to noise ratio or signal to noise power ratio. So this is the square and this is also square. Now for simplicity of further calculation we will put this equal to x naught t. So SNR or rho square we got it as x naught t square divided by sigma square. Now here we have shown that x naught t is as we have considered x naught t as difference between x naught 1t minus x naught 2t. So that corresponds to the input xt is equal to x1t minus x2t. But normally for the optimum filter you are going giving or for the LTI filter we are giving either x1t or x2t as input. But for the for deriving the equation for the transfer function we are considering this as x0 t. So for corresponding to that xt will be x1t minus x2t. Now x0 t is nothing but the inverse Fourier transform of x0 f. Now so what is x naught f? If you have to find x naught f, then you have to multiply xf with hf. So that is multiplied here xf into hf. So x naught t will be equal to x naught f is xf into hf into e raised to j2 pi f t df. Now so rho square is equal to x naught t t square divided by sigma square. Now x naught t square is equal to x naught t square is equal to this, x naught t is this one, so that square mod you can mod x naught t square, so mod square. Now sigma square is equal to mean square value minus mean square. So mean is equal to 0. In our case we are considering mean equal to 0, so sigma square is equal to mean square value. Now mean square value is given by the integration of the output PSD, because sigma square this is the output noise power, noise power, I can say output noise power that can be given by the output PSD, integration over output PSD, integration over output PSD noise. Okay, PSD of output noise. So we have seen in the video that output PSD is related with the input PSD as S naught f is equal to mod hf square into SNF. So S naught f is equal to mod hf square into SNF. So here if noise has input, suppose here is a noise has PSD SNF and here PSD is S naught f, then these two are related by mod hf square. This we have seen in transmission of random process through LTI filter. So where we were here, we have this one. Instead of sigma square we are writing it as integration of output PSD. Instead of output PSD we are writing it as mod hf square into SNF. Now we have to do some correction, some modification to get the result of for the transfer function. So what is that modification? We are putting yf is equal to hf into square root of SNF and zf is equal to xf e raised to j2 pi f t square root of SNF. Now this hf into square root of SNF is equal to yf, so we are writing it as yf square. Now we are multiplying and dividing on the numerator by square root of SNF and square root of SNF. Now XF into square root of SNF into e raised to j 2 pi ft is equal to YF is equal to ZF, and YF is equal to HF into square root of SNF. So that is written here, ZF into YF df mod df square. Now as per the Cauchy's inequality, this is your rho square, that is mod of ZF YF df square YF square. So this sigma, this rho square is less than or equal to, if you take the individual mods, if you take it as this square and this square, so that is equal to here rho square, this rho square is less than or equal to mod ZF square, and that means you have separated the integration and mod YF square. So this get cancelled. That means instead of this you are writing it as ZF square and YF mod YF square. So absolute, what is Cauchy's inequality is absolute xy is less than or equal to absolute of x into absolute of y. So same is done here. So this rho square maximum value will become equal to the maximum value when these two are equal, then that will be the maximum. So rho square is equal to this is equal to this one, that is maximum rho square value. So that is equal to ZF square df. Now what is ZF, and when this occur, when you will get the maximum value, this is less than or equal to, but when you will get max, when there is one condition that this YF is equal to k z star f. So what is maximum value? Maximum value is ZF square df. Now what is ZF? ZF is equal to XF e raised to j2 pi f square root of SNF square. Now mod e raised to j2 pi f is 1. So rho square max is equal to mod XF square divided by SNF. Now so this is signal to noise ratio, which is equal to which we got it as mod XF square, that is nothing but x1t minus x2t Fourier transform of x1t minus x2t. So that square divided by PSD of input noise. So don't get confused with this XF. XF is what? XF is here. XF is Fourier transform of xt. Xt is x1t minus x2t. So you got this as this one, rho square max. So maximum, so you have to remember this equation. Maximum signal to noise ratio is minus infinity to infinity. Mod XF is input signal difference Fourier transform square df divided by input noise PSD. So when you get this rho square as maximum, then YF is equal to kz star f. So let us write YF is this one, kz star is x star f e raised to minus j2 pi ft divided by square root of SNF. These values are there here. So here are these values. So z star f is nothing but x star f into e raised to minus j2 pi ft. So if you put this, you got HF SNF into this, SNF will go here. So you will get HF into SNF is equal to k x star f e raised to minus j2 pi ft. So HF you got. This is the formula for the transfer function of the optimum filter. K is constant. X star f, that is input Fourier transform conjugate e raised to minus j 2 pi f t. Here t is what? Here t is your pulse duration, binary 1 or 0 pulse duration. X star f is what? X star f is Fourier transform of x star t. So xt, you know, xt is equal to x1t minus x2t. Input, that means input to the optimum filter, and SNF is the PSD of the input noise. So this is the transfer function for the optimum filter.